Welcome back, everybody. This is Karfreak, and today we're gonna do things a little different. So stay tuned, okay?
Yeah.
Drive 740i has a 3.0 engine with 335 horsepower. You would think that this car would have a V8, at least I believe it does come. Don't quote me on that, didn't do the research. Didn't expect to do a video on this car, but I figure I'm gonna take a drive to San Diego, might as well, why not, right? So driven this car for about roughly five days, close to a week, and I like it. I must say it's very comfortable, smooth ride, but I guess I'm a sporty type of guy still. Has a lot of luxury, which I'm appreciating. Has a lot of features, like Dr. Peter would say, perks and features, right? But overall, it's a family car to me. Air ride suspension on it, smooth. You don't even feel you're going like 80 miles an hour, which I'm not doing that right now, by the way. Okay, just giving you a heads up. Comes with the executive curtains on the back, and overall pretty smooth ride. Probably when I get 50, I would like to have something like this. Comfortable, a lot of room in the back too as well. A lot of room to see, actually. And I do like the technology that the seats have. Hello everybody, now we're in San Diego, taking it for a fun ride. Just had dinner with my lady, fiance. But I wanted to show you this car. Maybe we can do a mountain. What do you think? Yeah. way home. And definitely a great car to drive. It was very rewarding. I don't have a lot of energy anymore. So please hit the like, subscribe, give it a thumbs up, support the channel, comment. And this is Karfreak. That was the BMW 740i XDRIVE. Good going, guys.